So a couple of times I've had these questions from people. How do you get to make this double so? Now there are different ways at which we do things. This was me in my boss shop. Of course, I have a boss. I have someone I look up to, and his name is Boss Philip. This is Boss Philip. All right. So I have to meet him for him to give me more, ways or easy ways of doing this, different from the ones I do or different from how I get to do my own. And I met him in the shop, and this is him telling me or asking me, "Did I do season 7?" So he now asks, "Do I really do season 7?" Then I say, he get to put me through how I do this. Now this is him explaining what I should do to have a perfect shape when you bringing out this double type of sew. Now I have a different way at which I do my own before, but then what is explaining and is different from what I normally do. So after he finished explaining, I had my own explanation on how or what I do. And of course, as a boss, he have it all to himself. He knows what I'm talking about. But then I have to explain how I get to do my own. So for all of you that have been asking me for videos on how I do these things, this is me explaining how I get to do this for you to achieve this type of so. This is me explaining. All right. So if you've been disturbing me, how do you get to do this? So I need a video for this, I need a video for that. Now this is me telling you that the video will be dropping soon, because I have different ways at which you can achieve this particular type of so that you're seeing now. So all of you asking for the video, remember this is not free. I know how much I spent to get to my boss's shop, what I spent to also bring out the video, the data I used in uploading videos. So my boss really explained. Watch out for the video.